Hey guys, this is Rich Farm with KRC Realty and Property Management. I'm coming to you today with a coronavirus legal alert. And the topic is going to be court closures and how they're handling lockouts and UDT actions and what counties are open and which ones aren't. So stay tuned. I got some more property management questions coming in, so I'm going to talk about another one right now. Several counties, their courts have just completely shut down. San Bernardino, San Mateo, Santa Clara, San Francisco, El Dorado, places like that. San Diego's still open. And for the courts that are open, they are still handling unlawful detainers. An unlawful detainer is an eviction for non-payment of rent or for any other breach. Obviously, the non-payment of rent, if it's caused by the coronavirus itself, they've delayed those until the end of May. So any unlawful detainer action for any other cause has priority in the courts right now, on the court's calendar. They basically, small claims is out the window. Anything like that is pretty much done. All UDT actions have priority. The courts that are open have limited jurors that they're using right now as well. The state of California has given the courts the ability to decide which cases they will and will not hear and take action on those. So the state has not mandated to the courts which ones take priority. They're leaving that up to the courts themselves. And the very last thing that's kind of important right now is anytime you go through any type of unlawful detainer action and you're done with your case, the sheriffs come knocking on the door to your property and they basically remove your tenant from that location. All lockouts have been canceled. So even though you might get possession legally of your property, I don't know when the sheriffs are going to be going door to door to remove people from the properties. At this point, they might allow them to stay in there for another month or two. What's that mean to you? Well, when the sheriff lockout is completed, they fill out a form and they send it back into the court. Those would be your damages. So just because the tenant, even though the tenant's in that property for another month or two, that doesn't mean that those aren't going to be damages that you can go after at that time. So if you had a sheriff lockout scheduled for the end of this month or the first part of next month, those are pretty much canceled. You have any questions about any of these topics or any other property management topics with anything going on today, just give us a call, KRC Realty. I'm Rich Farmer and I'd love to help you out anytime.